Anybody tell me? Yeah. And now observe it here. These are demo classes. Just observe it here. In a yesterday class, what I am telling, Oracle is a database software, one of the popular database software from Oracle Corporation, I am telling. And also, what is the purpose of this database software? Means to store data permanently in secondary storage devices. But unfortunately, these databases stores a what? Structured collection of data. Yesterday I told you, yeah, a table format only data is storing. The structured collection of data. Now, once a structured collection of data is there, we are operating this data. Suppose I want to delete these records from this table, means just we are writing about some coding. Now observe it here. This is called SQL language. Observe it here. Yes. Now check it out. Here. Yes. 1 and 2 records are deleted or not? Yes. Delete means removing only. This type of coding you are writing only. This is called what? SQL language. That's why if you want to operate a data in a databases, then we are using a what? One language SQL, another language PLSQL, another language dynamic SQL. SQL means structured query language. PLSQL means extension of the SQL, that is called procedure language extension for SQL. Up to that one, we are discussing a what in a previous class. Now concentrate. Already SQL language is there. Why we are learning about some coding related PLSQL language? So many fellows having a doubt. But so many real application side, PLSQL plays a major important role in a company side, software industry side. Suppose, for example, this is a table is there, for example. Okay, yeah. Now, in this case, for example, just my requirement is, this is the application form is there. This application form is there, for example. In this application form, so many text boxes are there, for example. So many text boxes are there. Here, they are entering a what values. Okay, fine. One of these days, employee name, they are entering only. Suppose here also, I am also entering a what? Small letters, for example. Suppose my name is Murali. Okay, data entry operator, inserting a what? A small letter, for example, here. But in a database, they want to store in my project requirement. This is automatically converted into where capital letter only they want to store. Observe here. For example, okay, just idea purpose. Capital letter only, that is requirement. You are inserting, end user doesn't know anything also they are inserting in a okay, they are not performing any operations. In a data entry, also they are inserting what data. But in a database, some other thing I want to affect. In that case, here, in between the front end and this back end, here you are writing a what coding. This is PLSQL coding. Oracle means PLSQL coding, and SQL Server means TSQL coding. MySQL means MySQL programmer coding. They are writing only. How they are changing intermediately like this, and now here, then automatically that is affected in a database. For example, and now check it out. Suppose I am a senior most programmer, for example. I am writing a what there is a requirement in my project means I am writing a coding like this. Don't afraid only, just observe it here. Okay, demo, no, that's why. Just anything I am writing. Here, this is called PLSQL coding only. And now observe it here. They are writing a coding like this. Upper is a function is there, don't worry. Just they're writing a what like this. Okay, This type of coding, don't afraid only. These are all the things you are familiar in a future. Suppose this is some coding is there. Okay, this is called PLSQL coding, procedural language extension for SQL. PLSQL coding only this one. Later you are also familiar, don't worry. One senior most programmer, they are writing a what some trigger on the where EMP table whenever user inserting a data, user inserted data convert into where uppercase. They are writing a coding like this. Now just end user entering like this. For example, insert into table name here. Okay, for example, this is working or not, check it out. Here e name, here values, the actual text boxes, but idea purpose, database through I'm telling. Here Murali, okay, small letter they are inserting. Now here automatically the small letters they are inserting end user doesn't know also. This code is transferred into where here it is executed, then only it is capital letters automatically storing in a database. These are database, no? Yeah, here database. Within a database table format only, capital letter only storing. Really, how it is possible? Now check it out. I'm entering a what? Enter key. Yes, one row inserted. Now check it out in a database. Now observe it here. Select star from EMP like this. Yes, Murali is a capital letter. It will be storing or not. That's what PLSQL developers are required in a company side or not. Through the SQL, not possible this one. This type of task, some task only conditions, something if condition loops, so many things are there. There is a procedural language concepts there embedded only. Here, capital letter automatically storing or not. Because of this coding only, this PLSQL developers only writing about this coding. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Suppose, now check it out. Really, PLSQL developers plays a major important role in a where in a company side. Yes, so many applications, real applications. For example, so many fellows are, I am also here also purchasing items through online shopping portal. There is maybe www.amazon.com, flipkart.com, anything. Suppose, for example, today, just small thing, observe it here. Really, your order number is there. No, what is that one? How it will be generated in a real application means observe it here. Suppose today I'm interested to purchase a one item. I'm opening a what my laptop side or mobile side, flipkart.com for example. This website I'm opening. Whenever in a browser I'm typing a what www.flipkart.com. Okay, anything in a commercial websites only I'm opening only. Now this web browser, maybe anybody web technology they have an idea means this web browser connect to the where web server. But what is the problem? Web servers does not store large amount of data. That's why these web servers are connected to the where database servers. Observe here, here database is there. Suppose recently Oracle, you have an idea, no? SQL server, MySQL, some names I'm telling in the previous classes, no? Yes, in a database. This is called database server. Here, these databases are relational databases. Most of the time, 80% of the case. Observe here. Here, this is a Oracle database. For example, just a database, I don't know Flipkart database, but just idea purpose I'm telling. Suppose here, this is a Oracle database. Here only table format only data is there. Structured collection of data. In this type of commercial website side, online shopping portal side, order master table is there. In that one, order number is available. Don't write just order ID or order number column. Here order date is there. Again, item name is there and price is there. So many details are there. These columns details. That's why here only data is storing permanently. Observe it here. This order number, they are declaring according to my experience here. This is a primary key. What is primary key means later, don't worry. Unique identification of the record, primary key they are defining in a project side. Now 1 minute observed here, 1 minute observed here. Suppose I'm an end user, I don't know what is web server, what is database server, I don't know. These are technical persons, well-known persons, these are all the things. Suppose I'm an end user, I'm interested to purchase a one item today. Whenever I'm booking a what one item, for example, www.flipkart.com I'm opening, I'm booking a what one item. Whenever I'm booking a what this item, again this web browser connect to the where? Web server connect to the where? Database server. This order number automatically generated. Any number 1001, anything. Okay, this number is automatically generated. Item name, whatever you are giving, that one item name is storing here. Price. Again, maybe in a worldwide, so many customers are there. Again, another customer also opening a same website. Maybe they are booking a what same item. Maybe possible, no? Yeah, same item he is also booking. Now this web browser connect to the where? Web server connect to the where? Database server. Here same order number or different order number? Different order number. Logical observation here. Different order number. Item name is same, but price may be different or maybe same, maybe is on the discount. Okay, yeah. Again, another customer also interested to purchase same item. Again, he is also opening a same website and also booking a same item, for example. This is a web browser connect to the where? This web server connect to the where? Database server. Here same order number, different order number, different order number. Okay, yeah. In a different order number. That's why whenever you are booking a what any item, in your parcel also order number is unique is there. You are observing or not? That order number based on it tracking or not? Yes. Now observe it here. These order numbers how automatically generated means in a Oracle database side, auto increment is a concept is there. Auto increment is a concept is there. Auto increment. How they are implementing a what auto increment is generating a primary key values automatically is called auto increment concept. How means they are writing about PLSQL coding triggers and SQL sequences combination they are writing. Here PLSQL developers are required. That's why in a company side, these type of codings they want to write means always some developers are required. That is PLSQL developers. That's why so many fellows are getting a jobs in a where PLSQL without any knowledge of the where other technologies also. Today, what type of jobs are there? I will tell you, don't worry. Now, check it out. For example, now this is a table is there. So many applications are there. Suppose this is a bank is a table. Now check it out. Here in this bank table, okay, so now here I am a account holder is there Murali, for example. Okay, so like this. Now I'm deleting. One minute observe here. Now check it out. 1 minute observe here. Suppose this is a bank is a table is there. For example, okay, table format only in a feature you are also storing. No, yes, so many applications. Suppose this is SBI bank details. For example, in SBI bank only one bank is there. Your imagination here account number, name and balance is a columns are available. 1001 is my account number. My name is Murali. I'm account holder. My balance is how much? 2000 rupees. Presently, my balance is 2000 rupees are available. Slowly observe here, easily understandable. Now, today I mentally decided to withdraw 5000 rupees, for example. But I am not checking a what my balance only. For example, maybe unfortunately, I am not checking a what my balance. Suppose I'm going to where ATM center, in a ATM center. I'm inserting a what my ATM card. I'm entering PIN number, so many options only, last only, enter amount. It will be asking only in this ATM machine. But I'm not checking a what balance. My balance is how much is there? 2000 rupees are there. But I try to decided to withdraw how much? 5000 rupees, for example. Now, enter amount means I'm entering a what? 5000 rupees only. Whenever I'm entering a what? 5000 rupees, I'm getting a 5000 rupees? No. Why? Because my balance is 2000 rupees in a bank only. here in a database, that details are there. But I'm entering a what? I try to withdraw, yes, 5,000 rupees. How it is possible? In this case, yes, it will give a what message? ATM machine, it will give a message. Which one? Insufficient funds. Some message it will be displayed or not? Observe it here. How it is possible? This one means ATM machine knows these all the things? No. You are a PLSQL developer in a Oracle means Oracle projects means yes, you are writing a coding. Stored procedures is a concept is there. Yes, in that one you are writing a what coding only. That is PLSQL coding you are writing. In that one, yes, create a replace procedure name something parameters we are using only if here user entered amount is more than the where available balance. Okay, then you want to display message here. Yes, dbms underscore output something is there, is underscore application underscore error something is there. In that one, insufficient funds you are writing only, then automatically that message only it will display. Otherwise else something only, same like a what C language. If else something is there or not, that is called PLSQL language only, PLSQL procedure language coding only. That's why not only SQL language, better to know PLSQL. Nowadays, Java, .NET, Python, these type of programmers are front ends. Okay, so their application side, stored procedure is a concept they are using only. In that case, this PLSQL knowledge is required. That's why what I'm suggesting only, anybody interested to learn a what in a database software means not only SQL language, extension of the SQL, either PLSQL, either TSQL, better to know. But you want PLSQL developer in a project side means always, yes, you are learning about totally this one. Okay, na? Yeah, but SQL anywhere also helpful. Okay, anywhere also helpful only. Now check it out. Really, suppose so many fellows are learning so many courses. Some fellows are interested to learn Python, some fellows are interested to learn Java, some fellows are interested to learn Oracle, some fellows are interested to learn what MySQL, some fellows are interested to learn what clouds, okay, cloud technology. Some fellows are interested to learn data sciences like that. Different technologies are there in a worldwide. But once you are learning a what Oracle course, what type of job opportunities are there in a worldwide? Especially this type of courses, Oracle developer side, SQL PL SQL languages they are learning means what type of jobs are available, better to know, because some non-technical persons are there, those persons doesn't know yes where they are using, what is that one, what is the scope of the where this subject or anything. Now check it out. According to my experience, I am telling only today. Now check it out. At least 5 minutes concentrate. According to my experience, I am telling Oracle course they are learning means what type of jobs. Suppose some fellows are passed out in a 2024 or 2023 also, because recession is there. No, these programmers are fresher level, maybe MCA, BTech, okay, MTech, MSc Computer Science, this type of BCA, this type of software related courses they are learning, IT industry side. Those persons are those persons are interested to learn a what latest languages. Some fellows are interested to learn Python. Most of the programmers are preferring, yes, correct. Otherwise, some fellows are good knowledge in a where okay, coding means Java they are preferring. Some fellows are interested to learn a what .NET. Like this, different courses are there. Most of the fresher level, more opportunities purpose based on the recent time. Okay, these type of front end languages they are learning. Languages side. Okay, na? Yeah. Now, in this case, observe it here. What is the purpose of these type of languages? It means 70% of the cases, these languages are used to develop a what? Web-based applications. Already I told no, web browser come to the web server come to the web database servers. I am telling or not? Yes. In web-based applications, compulsory you are using a what databases? Compulsory, mandatory. That's why these programmers are compulsory. They are learning about here. SQL is a language, basic SQL, not advanced SQL. At least basic SQL knowledge is required. Either maybe Oracle SQL or SQL Server SQL, MySQL SQL, anything also. Plus here PLSQL related stored procedure concept is there, that is mandatory to know, mandatory, because those application side stored procedures they are using only. That's why here basic PLSQL, advanced also not required. Basic PLSQL compulsory they are learning only. That's why these type of any languages, anybody interested to learn also, they are attending interview also. In interview side, interviewer only immediately asking after these type of languages question and answers. After that one, database minimum knowledge is there, check it out purpose. Write a query to display nth highest salary employee. Write a query to delete duplicate rows from a table. Write a query to display second highest salary employee. Why they're asking about that questions means that is a minimum knowledge is required. Minimum database knowledge is there or not checked out purpose, because these persons are how they are passing our data into their databases, how they are receiving our data from the their databases, where the data is coming from. A minimum knowledge is required. Otherwise, they are unable to handle the projects. That's why here, that's why these type of front-end developer, these type of web-based application developer also interested to learn about this course. They are not only interview point of view, in a project oriented, very important that one. Minimum basics. I'm not telling about, yes, learn about more depth means not required. Minimum basic. Now, again, some other fellows, what type of persons are learning at this course means, observe it here. Actually, some fellows are passed out somewhere 2021. Maybe. Any reason side, I don't know. 2022 passed outs also there. Those persons are still they are unable to get a job. Maybe any reasons. Any personal reasons or maybe technical problem, anything. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, 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 hello. Now it is audible. Hello, 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 hello. Can you hear me? Yeah, some network problem is occurred. This bit is connected. Okay, yeah. Not a problem. Online. Yeah, sometimes in cases. And now observe it here. So many fellows are passed out in a 2021 or 2022 or 2020. Okay. But unfortunately, they are trying in a job, so but they are unable to get a job. But gap is there. Maybe 2 years, 3 years gap is there. Those persons are also interested to learn about this course. Why means those persons are not good at what Java, .NET, Python. They are not interested. They are trying, but maybe unfortunately, any reason side, they are not interested in a coding. Those persons are easily getting a job without any these type of knowledges also not a problem. How means yes here the jobs are available. PLSQL developer jobs are there in a net only. You have to type it in a Google. PLSQL developer jobs means yes, so many jobs are occurred, but only they're asking about most of the companies 2 years 3 years gap only, gap in the sense in a fake experience you are putting only, but not a problem. Now here these persons are okay, so now easily getting a job compared to where other coding programmers. Why? Because competition is very less. So many fellows are doesn't know also. SQL basic knowledge, basic SQL enough. You never also basic SQL plus strong PLSQL knowledge. Okay, that is I am telling only in our classes. Then they're applying little bit of Unix commands. Better to know. Yes, then they're applying a what PLSQL developer jobs. Very easy. And now here next another type of persons learning what this course means. What type of person means? Observe it here. Suppose nowadays latest trending jobs are two areas. One is cloud, another one is AI, another one is data science. Suppose remove the cloud, AI in a future AI and data science. These two type of jobs are more software jobs are depends on AI. And another type is what? Data related. These Oracle SQLs or these related data science, these related data analytics. These type of job side, suppose one of the easiest jobs are there, data analytics. Data analytics jobs are there in a future. In that case, here always one database strong knowledge is required. Those persons are learning a what in a database, either Oracle or SQL Server or DB2 or MySQL, anything. Again, data science. This is also future technology, data science. But unfortunately, here experience is required. Whenever data science programmers are there, those persons also in a database knowledge is required, front end and database also. But little bit of experience is required, 1 year, 2 years, the gap they're asking. Again, another type of programmers are asked, okay, so now learning what this course means. Here, observe here, these are technical concepts. Observe here. Anybody having idea? Data warehousing technology. Data warehousing technology is there in a company side. What is data warehousing technology means? Source is there, source. So many different type of databases are there, either Oracle, or SQL Server, MySQL, DB2, these databases. From these databases, we are fetching a data from, yes, this data source into where this staging area. This is called data warehouse. This is staging area or data warehouse. In this case, they are using a what? ETL tools, extraction, transformation, loading. ETL tools are there. These are GA tools. Once the data is available in data warehousing, they are generating a what? Reports. That is called reporting tools are required. These type of two types of jobs also very easy in a where in a software technology side. These type of jobs also available. One is extraction, transformation, loading. ETL developers are required in a company side. This place to this place they want to fetch the data, and some small coding they are writing only. Again, once the data is available in a warehousing, then reporting reports they are generating only. Report programmers are there. Those are easiest jobs, but those jobs per For purpose, minimum database SQL knowledge is enough, not a PL SQL is enough. That's why most of the programmers, some fellows are, okay, son of 5 years, 6 years gap is there, baby housewives or any persons also, they're not interested in aware, more coding, less coding enough. Minimum SQL knowledge, they have an idea in academic career side. Those persons are interested to settle in aware these type of tools, because in a tool they are learning ETL tool, okay, in aware in online courses, offline courses, through they're putting experience, they're well settled only still in nowadays also in a worldwide. That's why here ETL developers are interested to learn a what, yes, this course also. Why? Because here in this ETL developer job, you want means basic SQL knowledge is enough, plus ETL tool you must learn only. Any tool, in a online offline courses are there in a worldwide. Yes, ETL tool. What are the popular ETL tools are there? Anybody have an idea? Suppose so many fellows are well-known persons. Informatica is a tool. Informatica is a tool. So many fellows are settled only. Your relatives are there. Your senior most colleagues are there. Those persons, some fellows are settled in a where, yeah, this one. And also talent is a tool is there. Talent. These are popular tool only. Data stage is there. So many tools are there. These are popular tools. Again, in this data warehouse technology side, yes, here I want only, okay, little bit of coding, but easiest job means business analyst. That is a report programmer, report programmer. Otherwise, business analysts only. These persons are now here, yes, here. Okay, basic SQL knowledge is enough. What is what? Joins, subqueries, knowledge is enough. Basic SQL plus here reporting tool, they are learning only. Reporting tool, any reporting tool they are learning. And now here, what is the popular reporting tools are there? Anybody have an idea in outside market? Yes, very good. TabView is a reporting tool. PQ is a reporting tool. And now here again, another popular tool compared to TabView, PQ, dashboards nowadays. Which one? Power BI. Very good. Power BI. This is the latest trending reporting tool. But Power BI means better to avoid a Oracle. SQL Server better to learn. I am not interested in a where Oracle's technology. Whenever anybody interested to settle in a Power BI. Why? Because Power BI programmers are, okay, so now related to where Microsoft technology they want to learn. That's why compared to Oracle, SQL Server is a better option. Okay, yeah. Now here, that's why Power BI is also so many opportunities are there in a worldwide. It's the easiest reporting tool. And now here again another type of programmer. Some fellows are telling, Murli sir, I don't want any coding. Really, I'm afraid of the coding. I'm a non-technical person. Without coding, I want to work in a software industry. Possible, possible. So many different type of jobs are there. One of the popular job is everyone knows testing tools. Testing tools only. In a testing tools course, you are learning means, yes, automation testing and manual testing, two concepts are there in that one. Once manual testing completed means in a olden days, they are providing a trainers training in a QTP is automation, but nowadays QTP is outdated. Yes, here Selenium testing, they are telling only nowadays. That is automation tool. But automation tool, you don't have an idea also, not a problem. Yes, manual testing, you are learning means in that manual testing also, whenever you are attending interview, basic SQL compulsory they are asking into, because maybe they are shifted into database testers, minimum database knowledge is required. That's a basic SQL, either Oracle SQL or SQL Server SQL, MySQL SQL, anything you are learning also your own interest, not a problem. Minimum basic enough, lowest level basic. And now plus here, this manual testing, automation testing, these type of things you are learning means enough for me. This easiest job. But here also, so much of salaries are available. So many fellows are worldwide. They are well settled in a way in a testing tool side also, or testing developers. Yeah. These testers, okay, yeah. Some use cases are there, no, they well known persons. Now check it out. Again, another type of jobs. So many different types of jobs are there. ERP technology side. Suppose SAP is a popular ERP is there in a worldwide. Okay, na? In that one, SAP, ERP means technical and functional, two types of jobs are there. In that one, ABAP is a technical is there, functional, so many, okay, so no modules are there. Now in that one, SAP HANA is there. SAP HANA is there. In that HANA only, compulsory we are using a what SQL knowledge. That's why these persons also interested to learn SQL basic SQL. Views is a concept is there. Regularly they are using in a real time. That's why they are learning a course. Again, another type of programmers are interested to learn what this course. Observe here. Concentrate here. Anybody B Pharmacy students or M Pharmacy they are learning. In that academic careers are B Farm, M Farm students, they are interested to work in a software technology means, yes, those persons, one course is there. What is that one? Anybody having idea? SAS, SAS. Oracle Clinical is there in this case. Here, these persons are learning a what? Total Oracle course. That is SQL knowledge also required, comma, PLSQL also knowledge is required. Both the things are required. These persons also interested to learn a what? Oracle course in a worldwide. Again, another type of jobs are available. Suppose here, Oracle apps is there. This is difficult, really. Oracle apps. This is 11A. This is also ERP. In that ERP, so many old Indian programmers are working. Newcomers means they are afraid only because so much of knowledge is required. Here, SQL knowledge also required. That's why fresher level they are taking what companies from the colleges. They are providing the training, SQL. Strong PLSQL knowledge is required. Strong PLSQL knowledge is required. And also T2K Developer 2000 forms and reports are there. And also AP, AR, GL, okay, HRMS, these type of modules knowledge is required. That's why use technology. That's why they are providing your training only outside. Real programmers are not available. Very less number of persons are there because this is difficult. And now here again, another type of programmers also interested to learn what Oracle course means. Oracle Cloud is there. Cloud ERP is there. Anybody have an idea? Latest technology, Oracle Cloud ERP. In this one, SPL SQL knowledge is not required. Only basic SQL knowledge is enough. Basic SQL knowledge is enough only. Again, another type of technologies are there. So much of technologies observed here. Different type of jobs only. Again, anybody having idea Hadoop? Yes, these type of big data technology side. So now here observed here Hadoop, the one of the popular big data technology. In this one also, so now here yes, their minimum basic knowledge is required in a where database only. Those persons also interested to learn in a database SQL, not only Oracle SQL, in a database SQL only, basic SQL. That's why so many different type of jobs are there. In that one, not only direct database jobs also, so many other type of job side, minimum basic SQL knowledge is required. That's why so many fellows are nowadays, competition is very high, recession is there. That's why knowledge persons only getting a jobs only. That's why they are learning properly these databases. In the olden days, who are having a minimum idea means they are taking a what software technology side, but nowadays competition is very high in the worldwide. There's a problem. And now here because jobs are less. Later, okay, again more jobs. There's AI, data science, so many jobs are there. But up to that one, recession is there. No, yeah. Now again, another type of jobs are there. That is a database administrator. Database administrator jobs are there. Suppose I'm not interested in a where Oracle developer coding. I don't want. I want to settle in a database. Safe side. Then yes, here Oracle DBA, SQL Server DBA, yes, DB2 DBA. These type of programmers also there. That is database administrator jobs. Those persons are not good at a very good knowledge in a subqueries, stored procedure, not required. In a basic, low level basics of the where SQL knowledge is enough, but not required to learn about those persons these type of courses. Why? Because in that Oracle DBA course only, a minimum basic SQL they are telling only. Okay, na? Yeah. Some courses side, yes, here they are only telling about basic SQL. Observe here, every job side also basic SQL is there. Minimum basic SQL is there. Any type of jobs also. That's why whenever you want to settled in a where in a software technology means 80% of the case basic SQL is required in a front end side also. Compulsory basic SQL. Otherwise, database related jobs you want means more knowledge PL SQL also required. Okay, na? That is important. Observe it here. Yes, here I'm writing about in those classes only. Here Python, Java, PHP, these web-based application side, backend Oracle is required. Minimum basic. 2 years gap is there. Then PLSQL developer jobs are there. Then SQL, PLSQL languages they are learning. Suppose they are interested to learn ETL developer, extraction, transformation, loading. That is GUI, graphical user interface means minimum basic SQL and any one of the tool you are learning only ETL, Informatica tool, talent tool, data stage, these popular tools. You are learning means enough, but 1 year gap is required. Minimum calls are there. Pressure level, no calls. Business analyst, there's okay, settled means easiest job this one. Report programmer, basic SQL they are learning and in a reporting tool, tab view, Power BI, these type of tools they are learning enough. Dashboard creation purpose. Again, Oracle apps ERP, that is a very strong PLSQL knowledge is required. Difficult that one. Oracle cloud side, SQL basic enough and cloud technology related concepts you have idea enough. Data science plus big data side, basic SQL is enough. Here testing tools means basic SQL, SAP HANA also SQL, knowing knowledge is enough only, and DBA jobs wise, Oracle DBA is required. That's why these type of different types of jobs are available. In this online analytical processing is there in a future. In that case, ETL and business analyst jobs are available. Those are all the things in a future I will tell you. Okay, yeah. Anybody having any doubts, please ask me. Yeah, one fellow is asking only Murali sir, 2015 password means okay, you password possible, but unfortunately better to put your experience 3 years or 2 years better. More okay, so no more than 5 years, 6 years means at least in a real time exposure is there. Then only you are okay, so now you are giving a what proper answer to the interviewer only because otherwise real time questions they are asking. Yeah, at least up to 3 years manageable in a very outside person. Okay, yeah, without any working in a experience in a practical way. Practical in the sense company side work. Okay, yeah, not a problem. But more than 5, 6 means some real time knowledge is required. That's why put a less experience and a breakthrough you are getting. After that one only, yes, your confidence level is different because subject is there and also real time exposures are there. Opportunities in a PLSQL in a fresher level, less case, very less case. Okay, yeah. Maybe you are luckiest person means easily SQL knowledge minimum basic also you are getting a job. Luck also important subject also our responsibility. Our hand only subject is there, but luck and all this another criteria, another parameters are not there in our hand. Okay, na? Yeah. Some people are very easily getting a job. Some people are very difficult. Okay, so now here so much of knowledge is there also. Maybe different scenarios, but in our hand, the chance is there to learn a what subject. Okay, that's all. Remaining different parameters. That is we are not considered. Okay, na? Yeah. Because our responsibility based on the time utilization and also getting a what more knowledge and also more practice and improve your confidence level based on that one you are trying in a way opportunities where that is available through the network, through the LinkedIn. Okay, so many okay, websites are there, jobs websites, that one. One fellow is asking only, Murali sir, Oracle Fusion side, this total course is not required, really not required. Okay, na? Yeah. Now here only, yes, basic SQL enough. Basic SQL is enough. Oracle Fusion side course, okay, so now here in that course only SQL basic they are telling only enough. Not required to learn this course separately, I think. But coding is available also, don't afraid. Why? Because coding is available also, understandable means that knowledge is required. You are not writing total coding only. Already most of the database projects are 80% of the case maintenance projects. In a problem is occurred, that one we are modifying. So many fellows are Okay, working in a way like that. Okay, na? Yeah. If time is there, learning is better, but otherwise, not a problem. Once you are joining in a company side, also you are understandable to know things. Okay, actually, how you are improve the confidence level means practice, not listening. Actually, I am experienced person. I am telling you very fastly anything. Also, just I know all the terminology and also where I am using, where I am not using. Okay, like that only. But you don't have an experience. That's why at least grasp our knowledge into where you okay. Just confidence levels purpose, simple way techniques. I am telling only. But you are only practicing in your hand. I am practicing more things means I am only getting a knowledge, not you. Okay, na? Yeah. That's why everyone practicing a what important. Practice is very important. Raghu, don't worry. Okay, so no, so you are recently joined, no? Yeah. But okay, so no, your lengthy queries also don't afraid only first. At least what is what? Suppose your decode function they are using, case statement they are using in your lengthy query side. Yes, window functions they are using means what is what you have an idea means maybe you are also small things you are writing means confidence level different. First initial stage everyone afraiding only, but now don't afraid in a very in a software technology because these are teamwork whenever task is there, they're splitting only and everyone discussing now based on that one. They're helping only everyone same. Suppose I'm working in a two projects. In a third project occasion, I'm joined in another company. That is also new technology. I know, but new concept. Project side new, all are new, same. That's why don't afraid any occasion of your project side also because all are in same. But experience means real experience. But that purpose we are gaining a knowledge and all these things are important. Up to some level difficult, but later everything is okay. Na? Thank you so much for attending this small demo class. Tomorrow I will tell you another demo class. Then only we are starting our classes. Okay, na? Just observe it enough. Tomorrow continue. Thank you. Another class.